Hi guys, good morning. It's Claire from Clairified Creations, and today's video is a summer day in my life. But first, let's change out of these pajamas since it is almost 10 a.m. Now it's time to accessorize. I wanted to say thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. This is a dream come true to be able to work with this amazing jewelry brand, so I am so excited to be able to tell you guys all about it. If you've never heard of their brand before, they focus on sustainable and also really high quality jewelry, starting at $39. You don't have to pay some extremely high price to get the luxury jewelry feel with Ana Luisa, which is something I really appreciate. A little story time about me. I have super sensitive skin, especially my ears. A little fun fact is I've actually had to get my ears pierced, both of them a total of 5 times. That is crazy, and the reason is I wore, cheap jewelry and I didn't really think about it, and then my ears got inflamed, and then it got infected, and it got to the point where sometimes my ears would even bleed, and that's just not good. So as a person that has sensitive ears and in general just sensitive skin, I always have to have either sterling silver, gold plated, or diamonds for jewelry, which can get so expensive. So I thought I'd show you guys a little unboxing. Here is the box it comes in, and first of all, let's just talk about this packaging. It's 100% recycled, which is great, especially if you're energy conscious and want to make sure you're not harming the environment. And then your jewelry will come in these cute little fuzzy, soft pouches that are definitely reusable. I really appreciate that Ana Luisa takes the time to actually package up their jewelry. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys one of the pieces. I heard about this brand about a year ago, and ever since then I've had my eyes on this specific necklace. Ta-da! I'm gonna show you guys some up-close shots. This is called the Rebecca Moonstone necklace. You guys can see how beautiful and shiny that is, and look at the details with the gold dots. It is so elegant, and it's also really nice because it's not a huge piece. You can just dress up your outfit. This necklace retails for $59, but it is on sale right now, so highly recommend go checking that out. And let me put it on for you guys to show you. The next piece I'm actually wearing, they're called the mini love knot studs, and you can kind of see why there's a knot. Such a great little find, especially if you have smaller ears like me. They're the perfect size, not too big, not too large. Also, Ana Luisa offers speedy shipping throughout the world. I'm gonna be running some errands today, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing this set. So if you guys like sales, don't forget to check out my description box. I have a coupon code for you. By using the code CREATIONS10, you guys will be able to save 10% off of your order, so you can treat yourself or a friend. And here's today's OOTD. We got my white top on, my Ana Luisa jewelry to match, my gold set. Let's get started with those errands. I have to run to Dunkin because this girl needs some caffeine, and then I'm gonna head to Walmart to do a little bit of shopping for both myself and my mom. So let's go. Well, I was getting in the car and the car door slammed on my head, so you can kind of see right there, it's super red. Things happen with me. I am so clumsy, so I thought I'd share with you guys the real life of Claire Phillips. Got an ice pack. Yeah. My car is parked on a slope, so when I went to open it, I guess I just wasn't thinking, and I was getting in and my head was right here, and the car door slammed on my head. Just another average day in the life. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep up with Claire's clumsiness. That would be appreciated, and like and comment. Finished shopping with Walmart. Now I'm gonna head to Dunkin, but I thought I'd share with you guys a little learning moment. If you guys ever forget a cart or a basket, it's just wise to go back and admit that you've forgotten it. Unlike Claire, who decided to carry 8 things in her arms and look like a complete Dumbo walking through the store. That's what I did, and wow, I would not recommend that at all. In line for the Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru. Let's go the window down. Hi, could I have a small iced caramel macchiato? That's all. 405. Thank you. $4.05 for a small coffee at Dunkin'? Am I crazy, or did they raise the prices? Well, I don't go here very often, so I don't really know what their prices are, but $4.05 for a coffee. This better be really good coffee. This is not Starbucks. This is Dunkin'. I feel like it should be cheaper, but this is my personal opinion. Hello. Thank you. You too. Okay guys, the moment of truth has come. Let's taste it and see if it lives up to the standards. Okay, that's really good, but it is super sweet. Overall, this is a really good drink. I like it. Not as much as the Nespresso, because I still haven't gotten myself Nespresso coffee, but I could make 4 Nespresso coffees for the price of this, but that's okay. What is your favorite Dunkin' drink? Let me know in the comments down below, because I might start trying a couple more. Let me know your favorite one if you have one, or if not, your favorite Starbucks order. Is it noticeable? Yep, this is a little bump update. Right after that happened, I called my dad and I told him, I can't believe the car door slammed onto my head like that. And his response was, I can. So that just proves to show how eventful my life can really be. But anyways, we are back home and now I'm gonna do something exciting. So let me show you guys. I just got a purchase that came in from Amazon yesterday, and I'm gonna move some furniture around to show you. Can you guess what it is? It is a fluffy rug. It's super soft. I've been wanting a rug for a really long time to make my desk area look more cohesive. And here's the real reason why I wanted it. That. I've had a glue stain on my carpet pretty much ever since we moved in. As a 10-year-old kid, I decided to play with glue, and I knocked over the whole bottle of glue and it spilled all over the carpet. And I have tried everything to get it out, but it is just not coming out of the carpet unless we were to replace it, which is gonna be expensive. So I figured, let's get a rug, and it is so exciting. I'm gonna move my desk over here and put the rug under it so it'll look a little bit more cohesive and everything. I actually have some homework I need to do for the nursing program. If you guys are new, I'm a nursing student at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville, and I'm entering nursing school this fall. So I have a bunch of assignments over the summer that I need to get done on Canvas, and one of them is called a scavenger hunt thing, and it says it takes 1 to 2 hours, and it's due tonight at midnight. So I need to get started with that, so that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'll let you know when I'm finished. I'm going on a scavenger hunt, so I have to fill out this information based on a patient scenario. So I gotta type in what's the date of birth and find out all of this based on his electronic medical records. This is exciting. I think this is what we're gonna be doing for nursing school when we have clinicals or lab simulations and things like that. We'll go on to DocuCare and type out all the information and say what our diagnosis is and everything, just like a real nurse, which is so cool. So this is probably gonna take me a little bit, but let's time lapse it. Let's do some cleaning. I have several piles on the floor that are just not cutting it, so we're gonna clean my room. I said I was gonna start cleaning, but I ended up watching YouTube instead, but I wanted to show you guys what's going on in our backyard because it's kind of crazy. The trees are slowly but surely going away. If you can tell, there's a yellow backhoe thing right there. It's called deforestation. So sad. My mom is making my favorite type of food, Indian food. Wow, look at the sizzle on the chicken. dinner is served. I cut the cilantro very proudly. I think it looks delicious. Let's see what the inside of the chicken looks like. What is this dish called? This dish is called Indian butter chicken. It has onions, bell peppers, chicken, and rice.
It's not Korean.
It's amazing. 10 out of 10 for Indian food. Apple pie and whipped cream, while also watching Clairified Creations. Now we're gonna go on a walk to see what all they did behind our backyard. You wanna say hi? Hi guys. What else do you wanna say? You haven't been on the vlogs for a while. They missed you. Guys, haven't you missed my mom? We found a snake, and it's called Snakey, and it's black, and it's about 4 foot long in our front yard, and that's just a little bit scary. So ever since then, I have been avoiding going outside, but I feel a little bit more confident now that I have my mom with me. I'm sure she would do a great job of protecting me from a snake. Yeah, so they deforested a bunch of this area, and I will take you guys along to show you. This is very sad. Hey, Mom. Now to wind down my night, I'm gonna be reading some books, and don't forget to click the link in the description box below. Get 10% off your order from Ana Luisa, and thanks again so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Bye! I'm gonna get my wallet out with my credit card. Just spending money today. Cha-ching! You don't want to say anything else?